Now the problem we've got down here is when he's trying to steer. Look on this end down, right down here. See all that slop. And what we want to do, I'm not worried so much about that left-right slop as I am this gap in here. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to take one of these washers and slice it even with a hole and slip it down and tap it in place, because we don't have the proper bushing. I'm going to try to tap it in place right down in here. Hopefully I can spread this piece right here out a little bit and get around that stem, and then we'll once we get in place, then we'll tack weld the washer. Because what's happening, we have the lawnmower up on blocks, you know, so it turns easy, so we can see what we're doing. But if I let it down and I try to steer, then the gears jump apart. So we'll see if we can make this work. Oh, here we go. This isn't exactly the way that was supposed to look, but you know, some people's children. Anyway, we'll see if we can get this to snap in place. Well, by Jove, I think we've got it. We put a washer here and tack weld in place. We put one over there, and he cut it to where the washer would sort of snap in place once it went past a narrow spot in the hole. And my God, the slop has been eliminated. So he's about to take it for a test drive.
Come on now.
Little plastic gear on top of the starter shot. So, I gotta teach my friend here how to start this son bitch PawPaw way. Alright, start position. Yep.
I'm right here just in case somebody jumps in here.
Good. He bought that lawnmower for $62. and it's all covered in dirt. Anyway, the steering was all messed up. We fixed that, and it wouldn't go. It'd run, but it wouldn't move. Come to find out, one of the belt was not on the pulley properly. Look at there, look at there. He's grinning like a mule eating green tomatoes. Well, all right. That's another successful job. I appreciate each and every one of you watching my videos. That boy sure is happy to have that lawnmower fixed. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody. You know, we fixed that for like $1.